Hello students, last time we have studied about the wood tenses. Now today we are going to start the study of the menstrual cycle. So first we have to know what is the menstrual cycle. So the rhythmic series of changes that occur in reproductive organ of female primates. Primates include monkeys, apes and the human beings is called menstrual cycle. So the rhythmic series of changes that occur in reproductive organs of female primates like monkeys, apes and human beings is called menstrual cycle. It repeats at an average intervals of about 28 to 29 days. The first appearance of menstruation at puberty is called menarche. So menstrual cycle starts at the age of puberty, and for first time when it appears, it is called as the menarche. You see here, it is here menarche or menses. So it just start. So that is called as the menarche. That is first appearance of menstruation at puberty is called as the menarche. So this menstrual cycle consists of four phases. It is consists of four phases. These phases are so it consists of four phases. These are number one is menstrual phase. Menstrual phase. Second one is follicular phase. Follicular phase. Third is ovulatory phase. OVULATORY. Ovulatory phase. And fourth is luteal phase. Luteal phase. So these are the different phases of menstrual cycle. So four phases of the menstrual cycles are: number one is menstrual phase, second one is follicular phase, third one is the ovulatory phase, and fourth is the luteal phase. So these are the four phases in the menstrual cycle. So we have to discuss one by one in detail. So now this phase, what happens in this phase? And in this phase, in this phase, menstrual flow occurs. Menstrual flow occurs. Second one is it lasts for it lasts for 3 to 5 days. menstrual flow takes place due to break down of endometrium. Breakdown of endometrium lining of uterus, lining of uterus and its blood vessels. And next one is it it contains unfertilized egg. Contains unfertilized egg. Unfertilized egg, blood and it contains unfertilized egg, blood and soft tissues. It contains that flow via vagina. That flow via vagina. That flow via vagina. So this is the first phase, menstrual phase. For sometimes there is no menstrual flow. This may take place due to the scarcity of blood, due to the anemia, due to the some infection and due to some stress. It not happens. Now next phase, as I told you, menstrual phase, that is the menstrual flow occurs. Menstrual flow occurs via vagina. Next one, it lasts for 3 to 5 days. Next, menstrual flow takes place due to the breakdown of endometrium lining of uterus and its blood vessels. Menstrual flow contains unfertilized egg, blood and soft tissues. So now next phase. Now next phase is follicular phase. It is also called as the proliferative phase. It is also called as the proliferative phase or the follicular phase. What events takes place in this phase? Primary follicles in the ovary grow and becomes a fully mature Graafian follicle. You see here what events takes place here. In this phase, what happens? These are the Graafian, these are the primary follicle, secondary follicle, tertiary follicle, and that ultimately converted into the Graafian follicles or the mature follicle. So in this events or in this phase, follicles, this is the primary follicles, grow and become the fully mature Graafian follicles. Next one, the endometrium. Now see here what happens in case of the endometrium. Endometrium regenerates here in this due to the menses, due to the menstruation, the endometrium get uh, destroyed. Now in this stage again regeneration of the endometrium takes place. So here endometrium regenerates through proliferation due to the secretion of LH and FH hormones from the pituitary gland and ovarian hormone estrogen. You see here hormones. What hormones is secreted by the pituitary gland? Pituitary gland secretes FSH and LH, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Its level gradually increases, and while in ovarian events also happen, estrogens also increases, and this stage lasts for about 10 to 14 days. This lasts for 10 to 14 days. Now we have to discuss next event, that is called as the ovulatory phase. Third one, ovulatory phase. The third ovulatory phase of ovulation. What happens uh, in this phase? What event takes place? First one is rapid secretion of LH. This is also called as the surge. LH surge induce the rupture of Graafian follicle, as a result. Ovum is released, and this process is called as the ovulation. Process is called as the ovulation, and it lasts for about 48 hours. It lasts about, now see here, after this phase, this is all very short, and what happens there in this stage? LH surge. Suddenly there is a increase in the level of luteinizing hormone that causes the rupturing of Graafian follicles, and as a result ovum is released. So that is the ovulation takes place at the 14th day of the starting of the menstrual cycle. Ovulation takes place at the 14th day of menstrual cycle. So it lasts for about the 48 hours. And this happens here in this stage. Now next one and the last phase, fourth phase, is the luteal phase or the secretory phase. Fourth phase you see here, fourth phase, luteal phase. Fourth, luteal phase or secretory phase. Secretory phase. In this stage, what happens? This is the corpus luteum. This in this phase, so name given as the major role of the corpus luteum. So name given as the luteal phase, and also called as secretory phase. So here the remains of the remaining part, the remaining part of Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle is called corpus luteum. So after ovulation, ovum is released and remains part of the Graafian follicle is called as the corpus luteum. So in this phase, the remaining part of the Graafian follicle is called the corpus luteum. The is called as the corpus luteum. Actually, what happens? The remaining part of Graafian follicle is called as the corpus luteum, and this corpus luteum, corpus secretes a large amount of progesterone. Large amount of the progesterone. This progesterone is necessary. Progesterone is essential for maintenance of the uterus, endometrium of the uterus. The endometrium thickness further increases. The endometrium thickness increase. Here maintenance takes place here, and again it maintains. Endometrium thickness increases. Now next, if and these are the four phases, and if egg is not fertilized, if egg is not fertilized, the corpus luteum, the corpus luteum degenerates and this causes disintegration disintegration of endometrium lining to endometrium lining and menstruation starts. Menstruation starts. Estrogen and if egg is not fertilized, the corpus luteum degenerates and this causes disintegration of the endometrium lining and starting of the menstrual cycle. And in this stage, in this phase, one more you see that there is the level of estrogen and progesterone increases. Estrogen and progesterone level increases and it lasts for only one day. So it lasts for only one day. At the age of nearly 50 years, the menstrual cycle completely stops, and this is called as the menopause. This is called as the menopause. That's for today. Thank you.